U.S. President Donald Trump has threatened to lay off
1,000 U.S. Army paratroops are headed to the Middle East.
And then possibly a land operation somewhere in Iraq.
President Trump.
It's so weird to mention this, but 2 weeks ago I benefited from the war and made 200k in profits by scalping gold. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. If you do not know me, hello, my name is Andrea and I've been trading in the Forex markets for more than 6 years. Right now I'm scalping on gold. I've been doing this for quite a while and I've generated over 2 million in profits together with my team. So stay until the end because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I caught the trades, the withdrawal process. As a surprise, in this video, you'll get access to a full guide that I specifically built for you in order to know exactly how I flipped those accounts. Because sometimes I'm trading mid-high risk on gold and you can apply the exact same concept on your own accounts. And of course, just because I want to offer a relaxed vibe inside my vlogs and because I've been traveling non-stop in the last 4 years, I will show you how I'm spending the profits that I'm making. And right now, this is happening in Da Nang, Vietnam. Let's get to it.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now.
And the running profit is
home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like.
The start of this vlog is going to be crazy because today is 1st of March, which is literally one day after the war started. I'm pretty sure that by the time that this vlog appears, you're already aware of the whole situation between Iran, Israel, the US, the back and forth attacks, the attacks that happened in Dubai as well, and also many other regions that were affected. I'm not going to cover the subject again. It's been one day only and you can check the rest of the story on Instagram in case that you are not aware of the situation. But when it comes to trading, I wanted to show you something that is happening inside my account because as you may already know, when there is war, when there is uncertainty, it means that money are going to be moved from unsafe assets to safe assets. And what's a very safe asset that is physical, that is backed up and so on? That's right, gold. And it happens for us at FXA to mainly focus on trading gold, which basically is in our favor right now. It's absolutely sad to profit from the war news. However, we have to realize that the war itself sometimes is done for economical purposes and we should at least benefit from it, just like the leaders of the world do. So since it's Sunday, my positions don't move at the moment. I started this account at 50k. Currently the balance is 130k and the running profit is 87k. Let me show you a bit. The history of the account and the fact that it's a live account on Prime. Now the thing with this account is that okay, right now it's at 87k profit, but after those major news, I want to see exactly how gold is going to open from Monday because this is huge and probably we will see a gap. Let me show you. Alright, so this is gold right now at 5280. Let's see exactly how it's going to open on Monday and what's going to happen inside my trading account. I expect gold to open with a huge gap over here and probably to continue bullish. This would be ideal. Alright, so as I promised, when it comes to the strategy that led me to those 200k that I generated based on the fundamentals, I want to show you exactly how I did it. And by the way, guys, I wrote a full guide on that and I'm going to go through it. By the way, this guide is in English, Romanian and also French. I know that a lot of times when people are entering this channel, they are just amazed, some of them are curious. People are amazed of the fact that out of such a small balance you can flip profit and generate over 100%, 200% in returns. See, there were a lot of situations in which my account looked extremely weird, like this one, minus 122 balance with 18k in profit, something that you do not see often, something that looks weird. This one is not that weird, 9k in profit with a 27k balance, but there are certain situations like this one as well, like a really small amount and then very huge profit. And in this guide I will explain you exactly what's happening, how this is possible. I want to mention from the start, this is a disclaimer, the starting point of the balance was never $200 or minus 122. It's just the strategy. Sometimes we're losing some capital with it. Sometimes we are winning with it. Sometimes we are flipping accounts. Sometimes we end up in this situation. But that's why I'm here today. I'm here to explain you how I generated 200k in profit with a 50k starting balance, because this was my flip, but also how we can do it with smaller accounts, because as you can see, I did it before. And by the way, I will just do a quick shout out to my free channel. All my services are free of charge, but in case that you're interested to trade with me on a daily basis, to see my outlooks, to see my team's work, simply access the first link in the description, and here you will be redirected to this message in which you will get the explanation about how to trade with us, what's happening in this group. You will receive signals, courses, access to one-to-one calls, and so on. Okay guys, so how do you switch from a boring low-risk strategy to such a risky strategy on brokers? Maybe some of you are watching this video and they're still trading on prop firms or with a really low risk. I know that there are traders out there that, I don't know, make 10% per year and that are happy with it. Those strategies work. Trading is subjective. However, what I believe is that if you increase the risk, sometimes you can decrease the capital. Of course, in order for 10% to matter, the capital should be quite huge, right? So we have to adapt to the capital that we want to trade with. As you can see, I wrote here, as you can observe, the profit is relatively high in comparison to the initial deposit. And this is our strategy step by step, and I'm going to explain it to you. Of course, you will have the guide in the description as well. So what we do is to divide our capital in 5 deposits. For example, instead of depositing on one single account, a bigger amount, we're just going to split that capital into 5 different accounts and at the start only deposit in the first one. So let's say if we plan to trade with 5k, with this strategy, we are only going to deposit 1k inside one trading account. If you're wondering what leverage I'm using, it's 1 to 500 leverage. Step 2 is to set a profit target of at least 1 to 5. I'm not talking about risk to reward or whatever. I'm saying that you should set realistic expectations that make sense mathematically. If you blow 4 accounts, right? This is the worst case scenario, out of 5 directly. Even though you are using your final account, meaning the 5th deposit, out of 1000 USD inside the last account that you're trading with, you will need to set a target and you will need to make a profit of at least 5k to cover the loss of the previous accounts in case that this happens, and of course you will end up with profit as well. What kind of trades are we looking for when it comes to this strategy? We are not looking for quick scalps. Of course, we are going to layer, we are going to close positions on the way, but we are looking on the higher time frame. We are looking at the overall direction of the market. We are looking on 4 hours, on 1 hour, stuff like that. Okay, so we are talking about 500, 1000 pips in moves, $50, $100 moves. Usually the direction for flipping accounts should always be with the trend, not against. So for example, in the last couple of months, the trend was bullish. Here I gave you the explanation about how much one pip values in USD in order to understand better the guide. Okay, so first you will find the trade on a higher time frame. Let's say that you see gold being in an uptrend like it has been for a really long time, and you see that gold is in a very nice area of interest. If you do not have to trade based on supply or demand, support and resistance, imbalance, if you do not know about those areas of interest, we have free courses for that. Basically, I can teach you the whole strategy, you just have to watch the videos. And now for the entry, in order for you to have a big lot size, of course, you need to have an exact entry. An entry like you would take a scalp. You have to be on 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. And this is exactly the moment in which you should always be ready to start a second account, a third account, or to have them prepared. Because let's say that your entry wasn't good enough, it took stop loss and you got liquidated on that account, you blown that account the first try, right? You go for the second account. Why? Because you still have capital to trade with, because remember that in the beginning you agreed to trade with 5k as capital and you only lost 1k, which is not the whole amount that you're trading with. As I mentioned here, if the area is good, even though you miss your first entries, you will eventually catch one that will go well, right? Remember that this is the exact strategy that I used in order to generate the 200k. You saw the withdrawal, you saw it happens during news, but however, this was the strategy that I applied. About the execution, we are trading with big lots. Of course, we are high risk. For example, on a 1k account, we use lots between 0.7, 1 lot, and the stop loss is around 30%, 50% of the account. Gold makes big moves, so yeah, if you're aiming for high returns, of course the risk is higher and so will be the drawdown. But again, if you want to start it mild, go for 30%. By the way, I'm no financial advisor. Would I recommend this for everybody? Absolutely not. Only if you think that this would match your risk tolerance, your risk appetite. Okay, you will set in fact the stop loss to break even, but not after 20-30 pips. Wait for 100-150 pips in the favorable direction. And when your trade is in profit, add more positions and do not close the trade quickly. If you see good areas in which gold might continue going up, for example, if it's in an uptrend, continue adding positions. Okay, so you start with a big lot, and then if you add positions further while the trade is in profit, you of course add less than that. And of course, do not worry, we explain you exactly how to add lots to the winning trade. If the price is in consolidation, we have two variants. One in which the price is in consolidation, and second, the price is already in distribution, is already flying. So there are two ways. In consolidation, you can layer. If your allocated lot size is 1, divide it in 5 layers. Okay, so 5 layers of 0.2. Case 2, the price is already in a distribution. Let's say that you see the AMD structure, then go ahead and use this structure over here. Open the big lot in the manipulation phase. You do not need to layer a lot, right? If you want to use one lot, then take one lot or 2 trades of 0.5, but that's it. After the price goes in profit for at least 100 pips, like meaning a $10 move, then, like I said here, for every 50-100 pips, add more layers like stated above. Smaller lot sizes for the following layers. You're not going to use the same lot size as you used in the manipulation phase. See, make them around 20-30% of your initial entry. For the additional layers, if you open a 0.2 lot per layer and it goes in profit, set break even, then you open the second one, and if it goes in profit again, set break even quick. This is the strategy. You're adding layers until you double or triple the initial lot size. Okay, so if the initial trade idea was with one lot and it goes in your direction and it's favorable, your whole trade idea will have a total of 2-3 lots combined with the initial trade that you took in the manipulation and more layers that you added in the distribution phase. And you will see that mathematically it makes sense. Of course, it is a risky approach, but is it really risky if you calculated from the start that you will have a target of 1 to 5? Is it really risky if you're only trading with capital that is split between multiple accounts? I don't think so. It looks very risky when you look at it, but in fact it's not. This is our target usually, 10x. So if you have an initial capital of 5,000, it would be extremely good to make 10k profit out of 1k account. So you have a trade idea. Of course, a bunch of accounts can fail, but in the end, you should end up with at least 10k profit on one account. And here, if you want to read the guide further, you will see exactly why our balance looks like this and why we have situations in which the balance is crazy small compared to the profits. Just go ahead and check the guide in the description. And now guys, I will leave further some videos of me in this nice trip that I'm having right now. It's actually a lifestyle. I'm not just in a holiday. I've been traveling a lot in the last couple of years, so I will just leave you videos. Maybe I inspire you to travel, maybe I give you holiday destinations. And do not forget that you will find more of my work inside Telegram, where I'm active on a daily basis. Bye bye, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. I've been missing for a while because I'm literally overwhelmed with what happened after I filmed the last part of the vlog, so I took a couple days off to reflect and think about what's happening. The point is that this has been the best trading week of my entire life. For me, it never happened before. I never withdrew 6 figures in a week, and this is not only about withdrawing the money, it's also about making those money in a week. The profit is insane. And I acknowledge the fact that this happened because of the war news and the fact that I had entries that were open. But yeah, here's the results. I was constantly updating the followers on Instagram, and I will show you the video in here in which I was talking about the situation with gold. So yeah, this is why I'm so excited. This is why I think of it a lot. And let me just tap on settings so you can see that this is a live account on Poo Prime. And the withdrawal happened extremely fast as well. Like always, I found very good brokers with good teams that are very, very responsive to me and to all the members inside FXA. And since I created a community that is so wide now, I guess that I should be an example for you, and this means acting right in these kind of situations. This is why I took a break from filming, from trading, This is why I was a little bit absent for a couple of days, because I had to reflect and understand what's happening. You know that when you're a trader, you decide your rules, your behavior, the way that you act. So I try to be as stable as possible and not get excited too much. I have to stay with the feet on the ground and to realize the fact that this is a milestone that I achieved. Again, I strongly believe in the art of compounding. I suggest you to read this book, The Compound Effect. This book gave me a lot of beautiful ideas about how I should proceed with my business and with my life in general. And yeah, it works. And now I guess I will continue my day. It's a Friday and I will take responsible decisions. The weather outside is not that great today. It's been raining a lot from what I observed. The sea is very agitated. I guess that I won't go on the beach today. To explain some stuff about myself, because I'm not one of the traders that would actually spend those profits on unnecessary stuff, in my opinion. I'm the type of person that is quite simple, which means that yeah, I might buy some jewelry, I might buy a nice car when I'm going to be stable in a place, because now I'm traveling and I have nothing to do with one. And honestly, I would get a driver because I don't like driving that much. I do not want to speak for the future, but I do not think that you will ever see me flexing too much in here, because I'm not really all about material objects. I'm more about the safety, the security that I'm going to have for the future, the investments that I'm going to have, the fact that the profit that I make from trading will be moved probably into another business when I'm going to have more time in the future, and simply to make sure that my family is secured and I can also give back to them. And I'm pretty sure that out there are people watching me that are having their families, a wife, kids, a future to secure. And if the responsibility is on you and you're the main provider in the house, you're the hustler, even if you're not the main provider, maybe you're a woman, maybe you're a wife and you have a kid right now, or you simply want to secure profit for your own future. I guess that we're alike, because nothing feels better than being certain about your future and having the freedom to choose what to do with your time, and also enjoying trading.